Hiya. Say hiya.
Yeah.
I went to school and Nathan went to college. How was college?
Real?
It was bro. And then he came over here. I did some maths. But look, I bought him some socks, right? And they were meant to be for his birthday. Do you like them? They were meant to be for his birthday, but I forgot. Do you like them?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You lying? You lying? No, stop concentrating again.
Stop concentrating on my game.
Do you like them?
Yes!
I've got a cat attacking me. What are you doing? That's your foot. What are you doing? What are you doing? Floyd, that's your tail. Ooh. Look, what's this? What's that? Oh. What are you doing? Can I back? Oh, Floyd. Get back. Get back. Give back. Can you? Okay, no. Floyd. I need it back now. Oh, that was stuck. What are you doing? Floyd. What did you say to yourself? What did you say? Oi. What are you doing? Oi, don't attack me. Don't attack me. No, that. Floyd. You're going mad. With you. Just say. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. So,
Bazinga.
that's not hiya. You want to say hiya?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, my camera died while I was talking earlier, didn't it, mate? So,
Yeah.
I went to school. That was lovely. And then Nathan went to college, as I said. And then we just chilled here. And we ate too much food and now we're full and I feel sick. How do you feel, mate?
Well, I feel okay now.
Oh, I don't.
It's kind of gone down.
Oh,
Yeah.
I feel sick.
I need a wee though.
I know. Love you though.
What?
Love you though.
Oh, you too.
See ya. I'm sorry it's not a long vlog, but me and Nate don't do much because we just sit here and play games on his phone, and I moan about being ill, and I sit on laptop. That's how our night goes, isn't it, Nate?
Mm-hmm.
Because we have interesting lives, don't we, Nate?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I'm popular. No, don't read it out, right? Who's that? Like,
Let me just read it.
No.
Oh yeah, bitch.
No, don't. I hate this boy. See ya. This was interesting, wasn't it?
Indubitably.
That's no word.
Yeah, that's the word. I can't spell it, but
Spell.
indubitably.
No, indubitably. I-N-D-U Bidly.
Indubitably. Yeah, that's the word.
That's not a word.
It's definitely along those lines. There's a word.
Stop him. I'm not saying that's inappropriate.
That's inappropriate.
I farted on your leg.
That's very inappropriate. Oh well, bye bye.